How to invite someone to chat on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite someone to chat on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to head over to your App Store. On your App Store, head over to the search bar and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, you can then open Instagram up from here. And if you see an update button instead of open, tap on update and update the app. After you've updated the app, you can open it up. After you've opened up your Instagram, you can go ahead and text whomever you want. So after you text someone with privacy settings on, which will basically send you guys to send an invitation, it will look something like this. So let me show you. So there you can see you will get something like this that says invite someone to chat. And depending on their privacy settings, you can only send few messages, such as 1 or 2 message. And if they accept it, they will, you guys can start with the conversation. And that's how you can invite someone on Instagram to chat. And yeah, it's that simple. And again, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. And again, yeah, thanks for watching.